Good morning, my dear friends. Today we are all going to see the effective character, the most powerful character, and the most interesting character, King Lear. Yes, King Lear is a wonderful drama written by William Shakespeare. King Lear is a tragic play written by William Shakespeare. It is one of the tragic plays of William Shakespeare. Who is King Lear? King Lear is an old man, 80 years old man, and he ruled the country Britain. Britain is a country ruled by King Lear. Just 80 years old man King Lear ruled his kingdom in a successful way. What is the nature of King Lear? The nature of King Lear is flattery, appreciation, praise, admiration. Yes. King Lear has three daughters: Goneril, Regan, Cordelia. One day, King Lear decided to give up his power and throne, and he decided to separate his kingdom into three parts, and he decided to give an equal share to his three daughters in a equal manner. Before that, he is willing to conduct a test to his daughters whether they are really loving him, honor him, respect him or not. The first two daughters, Goneril and Regan, are so clever. They understood the mindset of their father, King Lear. King Lear expects some attractive words, appreciation words, glistening words, celebrated words, well known words, and great appreciation words from others. Even though he expects the same thing from his own daughters too. So, such a mentality King Lear was. He is such a nature, he is such a minded person. Such a typical character King Lear was. The first two daughters decided and met their father. At first, the first daughter comes and stands in front of her father, King Lear, and King Lear told Goneril to say something about me, told by King Lear to his first daughter, Goneril. Immediately, Goneril understood the mindset of her father, and she framed a wonderful sentence, and she spoke in front of her father in such a way. Yes, father, I love you more than my life, more than my eyes. I love more than my life and more than my eyes, she said. Ah, wonderful. King Lear was satisfied. King Lear was satisfied by the attractive words given by, told by, narrated by, spoken by, represented by his first daughter, Goneril, and King Lear permitted his first daughter to take one part of his kingdom. She went away. She took it and went away. The next is the second daughter, Regan, comes and stands in front of her father. Now, King Lear asked his second daughter, Regan, to say something about me, give some appreciation words towards me. She too understood the mindset of her father, and she framed in a nice message, and she is going to convey in front of her father. My dear father, I don't love anything in the world. I don't love anything in the world in my life as much as I love you. That's all. King Lear was so happy. He was so happy. And immediately, instantly, King Lear permitted his second daughter, Regan, to take the second part of his kingdom. She took it and went away. Finally, King Lear expects his third daughter, beautiful daughter, the youngest daughter, Cordelia. Cordelia. Cordelia is the youngest daughter and the third daughter of King Lear, and she comes and stands before King Lear, and she simply wishes her father, bows his head towards his father, and she says that, Daddy, I love you, father, as a daughter should love her father. That's all. But King Lear is not satisfied. He expects something. He expects more words from Cordelia, like first two daughters. But Cordelia said, Sorry, Dad, I sincerely like you, love you, respect you. That's all. Immediately, the King Lear was so angry, and he sent out her daughter without any property. Later, the first two daughters did not show any token of love, affection, respect, and honor to their father, King Lear. Finally, the two daughters planned to send out their father from home to the street. Now, King Lear was in the street in a different manner. He is gradually becoming a madman. He is gradually becoming a madman. King Lear was cheated by his own two daughters, first two daughters, Goneril and Regan. Human beings are expected to identify the true heart and the true mind and the true words. It is a duty. We have to recognize the right person, right heart, and right word. But King Lear did not believe the last daughter, but he strongly believed first two daughters. But what happened? The first two daughters planned and gave a negative impression and collect all properties from their father, and finally they sent out from their home. Now King Lear was in the street. Finally, the third daughter comes and supports her father, honors her father, respects her father, loves her father through the, her own feelings, through her own personal feelings. Finally, King Lear understood what is life, what is love, what is true love. So, as a human being, we want to understand the spirit of true love, the spirit of true heart, and the spirit of true word. Finally, all three daughters died, including King Lear. The play ends with grief, pain, problem, and suffering. So, my dear friends, King Lear drama gives a very wonderful moral to everyone. Thank you.